Hello, me again. Another thing you asked me about in your email was about changing the size and colour of text. So I'll go into that a little bit now. This will involve a little bit of HTML stuff. So anyway, we won't mess with anything on this front page here, I think, in case we mess something up. So I don't know what that is. Go away. If we go into pages and look at that page we created in the last session, this new group page, we can have a play with that. So there I've just put in a few lines of nonsense, text. We'll experiment with that. Now, a pretty straightforward way is just to use this bar here. Now you might not be able to see all those options, so you might just see those, and if you click here, toolbar toggle, you get a few more buttons. So if say we just wanted to change that word, you can, if you really want to, underline it. I don't really like underlining things because people think it's a hyperlink then, but we can make it bold by using the B, or italic by pressing I, just like using Word. So that makes it pretty easy. We can also change the colour here, text colour. So you want to make that purple. Bang, it's purple. We can make it bold as well. So when we go view page, it's alright, we need to hit update first. There we are. That word that we've made purple and bold is now purple and bold. So that's how you just control the formatting of individual words. Now, you also said you wanted to change the size of the text. Now, I'm not sure how much I advise doing this, but if you really want to, we'd have to use a bit of HTML. We go into, rather than where it says visual here, click right here, text. As you can see, this is the code that goes on behind the interface we were just looking at. So this is just plain old text, and then where it says strong here, that's what's turned that particular word into bold, and this span style colour and this strange number here, that means purple, and that's what makes that particular word purple. Okay, now let's say we wanted to make that particular word also a whole lot bigger. You can put font size equals 18, and you've got to put your number in quote marks like that, and put triangular brackets on either side. So that's the bit of code we've just inserted, font size equals 18. And then if we update that and look at that page, you'll see that it should look a bit different. Text is enormous. Obviously we didn't want all of this text turning that size, so at the end of when you do something in HTML, you've got to tell it to start doing it and then tell it to stop doing it. So that's what these bits are about. So we put the equivalent here with a slash mark like that, and put font size, and then close with another triangular bracket. This is, I don't know what that is, I'm going to have to sort that out. Yeah, I don't know how much you'll need to do this, but it's a useful thing at least to see how HTML works and what goes on sort of behind the scenes. So if I go update, then you'll see we've just made that word really big, really purple, really bold, and the rest of the text flows as normal. So, like I say, I don't know how much you'll need to do that yourself, but it's useful stuff to know. So, there you go. Bye for now.